Alright guys, this is part 2. We're walking. Get some move on this. We're officially walking on these escalators. On an escalator only for so maybe an escalator. I don't know, but if it's really big. So then, sorry moving so fast, I had to. We got a plane to catch before we get to South Dakota. Okay, now we've made it off that thing where it was creepy. Sorry my hand's so shaky. So yeah. Oh my god. Hey, Snapchat! Wheelchair? Okay, people, it's not every day you see one of these things. And on your next stop of the tour, we'll look at this giant Christmas ball. What you looking at?
Where we're going.
Ah! Yeah, well, I'm walking on this because I'm lazy. I wonder where it goes. Oh, that's cool. Okay, guys, we got to hurry. And on your next stop of the tour, you'll see another one of these giant Christmas balls. I sound wrong. Okay. This is an airport. I don't know why they sell such things at an airport, but who am I to know? Kids. Alright. I'm gonna pause this right now, but we'll be back. See ya. Okay, guys, we're back. We're gonna go on another one. We're gonna go on another one of these things. So yeah. I hate these things. Oh, they're so creepy. Okay. I see a girl with purple hair. Wow. Oh, San Francisco. Okay, people, that is San Francisco. San Francisco. Okay. So, I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, I find it better if you jump. I find it better if you jump. Okay. We're getting there. Food supply. Okay. All right. Can we stop? I gotta fix my. Okay. All right, people. There's some fountain. What fountain? Oh, look at that. Got samples. Come on, Mama, samples. Ah. Sorry, people. You almost had to see that. Okay. Back on one of these conveyor belts again. on the itinerary. Where is it? Texas. Okay, so this will be part 2 of the videos. If you haven't seen part 1, make sure you go check it out. That was when I was in Boston, and I forgot to tell you guys. I'm in Denver now. Tornado shelter. You don't see one of those every day. Tornado shelter. Tornado shelter. Whoa! Almost missed cut off. Wigs. Who would buy such a thing at an airport? Who needs that kind of stuff? Like, I understand the cases and stuff. Like, I understand that. But seriously, who needs that? Oh, airplane. Vroom, vroom. Okay. Ah! We crashed! Okay. Back on again. Woo! I gotta see that. What? Hope you. Now, what if such a thing could happen? Probably robbers. Yeah. Okay. So guys. Sorry, that was complaining session. You do not want to hear that. That was my complaining session. You do not want to hear that. Thank you. What's the point of taking a breath if we're just going to keep walking?
No breath left. You're done.
Exactly. Wow. Okay, people, we're back. That was part 2 of the complaining session. So, yeah. Okay. We're still going. Yeah. The horror. Yeah. So the date is December 3rd. It is approximately 11 people. Don't know, don't care. Okay.
I don't know how funny it would be.
Could be hilarious.
So we're still going. There's the exit.
Yeah, a lot of jokes with the basic things.
This is officially hard. Oh, finally. Okay. That is some trucks. And that is the thing you walk through. I get going, people. Okay. So, yeah. Alright, people, I got to get going. I'm about to be late for my thing, for my plane. So, I can't just sit here vlogging. So, I'll get back to you on this note. Bye-bye.